Good morning, my dear student. Today, this is the it is page number 200. We can get it in page number 234. Okay, so we have learned the area of triangle. So in case of trigonometry, so if one angle and two sides are given, then how to derive the formula? Okay, so this thing we have learned. So if this is the angle given. Okay, let me revise the formula again. So if this is the angle, your angle dekha cha bhane duita side ke ho, b bata baneko duita side. So one is AB and next one is BC. Right? From this point, two sides are made. So from B, that means AB is made, and next one from B, BC is also made. That means two sides, AB and BC. So the opposite of capital C is called small c. The opposite of capital A is called small a, and the capital of capital B is called small b. Okay, that also we have learned yesterday. Your angle ko duita side ke kare A ra C. That means half into A into C into sine B. That will be the formula. So if this is the angle, then what are the two sides? B and A, they are the angle. That means opposite of capital A, small a, opposite of capital B, small b. So your angle was. So what will be the formula? Half into duita side ke kare. So one is A, next one is B. Your sanga tasik angle, right? A and B. So half into A into B into sine C. Half into A into B into sine C. So next one, if this is the angle, then what are the two sides? So C and B is there. Okay. So half into B into C into sine A. Okay. So half into B into C into sine A. That will be the formula. Okay. So that we have learned yesterday. Then let me show you the formula for the parallelogram also. Okay, so here it is not written. Just remember. So if there is a parallelogram, let me draw a parallelogram. Suppose if a parallelogram is given, then remember there are two triangles. Okay, so if there is a parallelogram, then remember there are two triangles. So this is one of them. Okay, so this is one of the triangle, and this is the next triangle. Okay, so you can see two triangles over here. This is triangle, this one. Okay, so this is the triangle, first triangle, and this is the second triangle. Also, you can consider as this as the first triangle and this as the second triangle. That means there are two triangles all together. And so if two triangles are given, then so always these two are equal to each other. So always they are equal to each other. So what was the formula of first triangle? That means half into A into B into sine C, otherwise half into A into B, half into A into C into sine B. Was the triangle formula here, right? So अब इसको formula कसरी लेख्ने? Okay, so if there is A, B, C and D, so इसको value देखो सर, इसको value देखो सर भने we are going to go by down this triangle. Okay, so from this bottom triangle, if two sides are given, then we are going to go from this triangle. So what will be the formula? So actually the parallelogram is, it is double of triangle. So let us multiply it by 2. Okay, so according to the formula, there is half. So let us write on half. Okay, so half. You triangle ko hai. Ab you triangle so what are the two sides? So if this angle is given, then what are the two sides? One is AD, next one is BC. So half into AD into DC, other CD into sine K huncha. So what are the so what is the angle given over there? Which angle is given over there? Angle D is given. So angle D. Otherwise just you can write on D only, right? Capital D. So 2 and half will be cancelled. So what will be the formula? AD into DC into sine D, you can write down. So this is the formula of parallelogram. Okay. So if rhombus is given, then all sides are going to be equal. Rhombus bhaneko, it is like a square. Okay, but if it is slanted, alikati bangeko cha bhane And if all the sides are equal, then they are called rhombus. Parallelogram means those rectangle. If there is a rectangle, like opposite sides are equal. Okay, so the opposite sides are equal, sir, but it is little bit slanted. That is called parallelogram. So and all sides are also equal, then that is called rhombus. Okay, so look at this figure. What is the name of this figure? So this is the rhombus. Make the spelling of this one. Rhombus, B-U-S. Okay, so rhombus. So find the area of the following rhombus. So in this case, so what is the formula? So all the sides are equal. So your angle ko duita side kun kuno. So one from here there is one side BC, and from this point this is the next side. That means this is also, it is going to be 12 centimeter. So this side is also 12 centimeter. This side is also 12 centimeter. So अब के लेख्ने त भन्दाखेरि, so you can write down. So actually I have already done, but let me show you how to do it. So okay, so AC and AB, we need to get the two sides. So from this point, one side is there. Jun angle sa ni ho त्यो point bata duita side nikalne. Okay, so this is one of the side, this is next side. So one, we need AB. Right, we need AB, and what is the next side? We need BC equals to. So AB, what is the value of AB? It is 12 centimeter. So BC is how much? It is also 12 centimeter. Why it is 12? Just one value is given, but we have written both the sides as 12 centimeter because it is rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal. Okay, if we are going to write on the side, this is also 12. This is also 12. Okay, all sides are equal to 12. So if it is 15, all sides are equal to 15. If it is 10, it is all the sides are equal to 10. Okay, so your angle deko cha bhane, let me teach you of this one also. If this angle is given, we need two sides, this side and this side. That means PQ equals to 10 centimeter, QR is also equal to 10 centimeter, and angle Q equals to 30 degree. In that way, we can do it. So angle B equals to 60 degree. So what is going to be the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle equals to 2 into half into. Okay, so what are the two sides? So one is AB, next one is BC. Half into AB into BC into sine what? So angle K masa B masa. So angle B. Either you can write on the sign of angle, or just write on B on capital, but it should be capital, right? So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. This and this will be cancelled. So AB is how much? So AB is 12 into BC is how much? BC is also 12. BC is also 12 into sine B. What is the value of B? It is 60 degree. Okay. Now you need to put the value of sine 60. Sine 60 means 3/2. So 12 into 12, it becomes 144. So just multiply it, you'll get the answer of it. So and use the calculator and get the answer of it. So in this way we need to get. So I've already done it. Okay, so let me show you the figure. So hope you have understood. Okay, so from this point we need two sides. Okay, one angle, and we need to use the formula of 2 into half. We need to multiply by 2 also. Okay, otherwise you can just directly write down. So half bahek sabai lekda ni huncha formula. No problem. Okay, so let me clear everything and let me show you the real one. Okay, so look, I've already done this one. So find the area of rhombus, and so all sides are equal. So this is also equal to 12 centimeter. So same question here, 12 centimeter. So yo jada दिएको छ angle, त्यसको दुईटा side बनाउने, right? So from here, that means what is the name of this one? AB is the name. Okay, AB is 12 centimeter. Next side is BC. BC is 12 centimeter. and which in which point there is angle, there is angle. So the angle is in point B. So angle B equals to 60 degree. So area of rhombus on the parallelogram on the, let us write on rhombus. Okay, so make it. So you can cancel this one and just write on rhombus. Rhombus on the parallelogram को square line rhombus bन्छ. So if all sides are equal in case of parallelogram, then that is called rhombus. यसलाई parallelogram लेख्दा पनि केही फरक पर्दैन. So area of parallelogram and rhombus. Area of parallelogram, so rhombus ABCD equals to, so we need to multiply by 2. So 2 into half into formula. So from this point, two sides, that means AB into BC into sine B. So AB into BC into sine B. So so this and this will be cancelled definitely. So AB is how much? AB is 12, BC is how much? 12. And sine B is 60. So sine 60 means how much? It is root 3 by 2. Okay, so let me clear it. I hope you have done it. So pause the video for a while. Okay, so let me clear everything. Okay, so now, so it becomes 144. So 12 into 12, it becomes 144. And sine 60 means root 3 by 2. So cancel this one. So it becomes 124.70 square centimeter. So this is going to be a beautiful answer. Okay. So hope you have understood it. Let us go to the next question. Okay, so look at question number 7, all of you, in your book. So in question number 7, the product of two sides of what? Triangle. Okay, triangle. Let us make triangle first because there is no figure. Let us make the triangle. Okay, so to make you understand, let me make the triangle first. Then after that, the product of two sides, that means two sides are given. Your data side because your data side ko ke are product are. That means if this is A, this is B, then you can say capital C huncha. Capital C huncha. So if two sides are given, if two sides are the product of two sides, product means A into B. Your side into your side. Okay. The product of two sides are given below and find the area of the triangle. That means A into B is given. Okay. The sides are two sides. Suppose if there is AB, then the angle what it should be? It should be capital C. If the angle, if the sides are A and B and C, then it sine capital A. What is not there? That should be the angle. Okay. So half into BC into sine A. Suppose if there is AB, then what should be the angle over here? So what is not there? C is not there. So angle C. Right? So half A into C into sine. So what is not there? B is not there. So sine B. So these are the formula. Okay. So formula of this triangle. Okay. So let me clear it again. So pause the video for a while. Okay. So let me not clear. Then after that, so AB is given and angle C is also given. So find the area of triangle. So what is the formula of area of triangle? So it is half into AB into sine C. So half into AB. AB it is 28. So 28 is given. So instead of AB, let us write on 28. Okay. And sine angle C. Angle C means what is the value of C? 30 degrees. So let us write on 30 degrees. In place of C, let us write on 30 degrees. So half, so 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are. Okay, so 2 14s are. That means let us write 14 over here into sine 30 means how much? Sine 30 means 1 by 2. Sine 30 1 by 2. So this again, this will be cancelled. So 14 and 2 will be cancelled. So 2 ones are 2, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so 7 square centimeter is going to be our answer. Okay, so in this way, we will get our answer. Okay, so AB, the value of AB is directly given 28. So sine C is 30. So sine C 30 means 1 by 2. यसलाई क्यान्सल गर्दा 14 हुन्छ again if you cancel it it becomes 7 square centimeter. Okay, अर्को पनि दिएको छ, let us do it this one also so to make you understand. So here one more thing we need to remember over here. So C and A is given. So if two sides are given as C and A, then sin के हुनु पर्यो? C and A भएको बेलामा sin के लेख्नु पर्यो? Sin B must be there. Okay, so half into AC into now CA into sin B. Okay, so CA is given. There will be C into A. This is dot. Okay, dot means multiply. CA means 14√3, and angle B is given 60 degree. So area of triangle ABC equals to half into what are the two sides? C and A. CA, otherwise AC. Instead of AC, you can add in CA also, no problem. So area of triangle equals to half into CA. That means C into A into sin Q. So what is not there? C and A is there. What is not there? B is not there. That means capital B like sin B. Okay. So half into. So what is the value of CA? CA ka value is 14√3. So it will be 14√3 into sin. So what is the value of B? It is 60 degree. Sin B means 60 degree, sin 60 degree, because angle B is almost 60 degrees there. Then let me go a little down. Okay, then so let us cancel this number. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Okay, so 7s are 14. Then after that, so 1 into 7, it becomes 7. So it is √3 into sin 60 means √3 by 2. So √3 and √3 will be cancelled. Okay, so 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 when it is 3.5 square centimeter. So in this way, we'll get our answer. Just remember, if there are two sides, so jun angles are angles, it should be out of these two number. So if there is C and A already, angle A undena, angle C pan undena. So what should be there? Angle angle B must be there. If there is A and B, then what must be the angle? A and B chaine, ke chaine? C chaine. So let me write in this way. So if A, B and C is there, if A and C is there, then angle should be angle B, but it should be capital, right? B is capital like if A and B is there, so what is not there? C is not there. We should write on as sin capital C. Okay, C is the angle over here. Okay, so sorry, yaad garo formula. Okay, so hope you have understood this number also. Okay, so there is the next question, number 8. So the product of pair of adjacent side of parallelogram, that means parallelogram is given, right? So let me draw this figure. Okay, so parallelogram is given. So in this parallelogram, okay, ये parallelogram में के सारे होंगे रे. So beta angle, beta side देगा सारे. MN, suppose this is MN OP. Okay, rotate गर्ने MNOP. MNOP लेख्नु पाइँदैन. Okay, MNOP. It should be rotating MNOP. Got it? Okay, so यसरी लेख्यो रे. Now MN र NP, if you multiply MNN NP, then यसको angle कति छ रे? So it is 44√3. Okay, so it is 44√3. Let me clear this. Okay, so the two angles, दुईटा angle को product चाहिँ कति छ रे? It is 44√3 छ रे. अनि अर्को angle, so दुईटा side हुनु पर्यो, एउटा angle दिएको छ. Okay, so this formula is applicable when there are two sides and one angle. So two sides or one angle, already it is given. So area of parallelogram equals to question mark. So here area of parallelogram equals to, so 2 into half. Okay, so 2 ले multiply गर्ने because it is a double of triangle. So 2 into half into So what are the two sides? So two sides is mn into np, mn into np into sine. What is the angle? So angle mnp, mnp. So after that, so this and this will be cancelled. So mn is how much? Mn. Okay, so the both combined values is given. So mn into np. That means यो दुईटालाई दुईटै भने कति हो? mn into np भनेको त्यसो it is 44 root 3. So let us write down this value as 44 root 3. Okay, so यसको value मात्रै है यो mn into np, mn into np. That means यसको दुईटाको value it is 44 root 3. Both combined value is 44 root 3 into, so sine. What is the value of that angle? 60 degree. So the value of that angle is 60 degree, sine 60 degree. So 44 root 3 into sine 60 means how much? It is root 3 by 2. Let me clear this first. So 44 root 3 into root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, it becomes root 3 square. Is it? Okay, so root 3 into root 3, it becomes root 3 square. 44 छँदैछ, 2 पनि छँदैछ. Okay, so 2 and 44 will be cancelled. So 4 ones are 4, sorry, 2 ones are 2. So 2, 22s are 44, 22 into. So square and square root will be cancelled. Okay, you square root cancel गर्दैन. What is the value? 3 is there. So 22 into 3, it becomes 66. Okay, so in this way, we will get our answer. Okay, so answer yaad. So in case of parallelogram, also in case of triangle, also two sides, one angle. So if there is parallelogram or rhombus, we need to multiply by 2. If there is only triangle, you 2 multiply because so triangle means it is a single triangle, parallelogram means it is a double triangle. Okay. So let me see. Okay, let us see solve also. So find the area of triangle. So it is very easy now. Okay, so we know that if one angle and two sides are given, then what is the formula? Half into a into b into sine c. Okay, so x is given. So the opposite of capital X is called small x. The opposite of capital Z is called small z. You y lekhiena because there is no value. So the opposite of z is called small z. The opposite of x is called small x. So small x is almost 12 centimeter. So small z is almost 15 centimeter. And angle is always represented by capital. Okay, so capital Y is almost, so capital Y is equal to 60 degree. Capital Y is equal to angle Y is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so find the area of triangle. So what is the formula of area of triangle? If two sides and one angle is given, so it becomes half into theta side ka naam lekhne, half into x into z into sine kati sine y, half into x into z into sine y. Okay, so half into, what is the value of x? X means how much? Small x, 12. Z is how much? Z is 15. Okay, Z is 15. So sine y, capital Y is how much? 60. Okay, so capital Y is 60 degree. 60 degree. So now this 2 and 12 will be cancelled. It becomes 6 into 15 into. So sine 60 means how much? Sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Okay, so multiply this number with the help of calculator. You'll get 77.54 square centimeter at the answer. So duita side dekha cha, त्यही भएर duita side one angle is given, so we are applying this formula. Is that okay or not? So half into x into z into sine y. That means, look at here. So duita side ma y छैन. So if there is, so x and z is there, then what is not there? Y is not there. So sine capital Y लेख्ने. Okay, so capital will represent the angle, small letter will represent the side. Okay, so that's why small x will be representing the sides. So capital Y will be representing the angle. So let me go to the next number quickly. Okay, this will be the last number for the day. So here, so look at here. So two dashes are given. That means this is an isosceles triangle. So if it is 8, then tell me what is this? This is also equal to 8 centimeter. Why they are equal to 8? Because these two dashes represents that they are equal to each other. Equal, right? So that's why they are, if it is 8, then this is also equal to 8 centimeter. Now, what is the angle between them? What does it represent? It represents 90 degree. So one angle, two sides are given. Take point for theta angle, okay na? Theta side, okay na? Okay, this is right. So one angle ko theta side. So what is the formula? Half into AC into AB into sine A. Okay. Others you can write down like this also. The opposite of capital B is called what? Opposite of capital B is called small b. Opposite of capital C is called what? Small c. Okay. So A is there. So formula ke huncha? Half into what are the two sides? One is B, next one is C into sine कति हो? So what is the angle? Okay, दुईटा side को angle कति हो? It is A, capital A. This is going to be a formula. So half into B into C into sine A. So half. So B is how much? Let me clear everything. So if you have not copied, so pause the video for a while. Okay, so let me clear everything. Then B is how much? 8 centimeter. That means 8. C is how much? C is also 8. So sine A is how much? 90 degrees. So sine 90 degree. So this 2 and 8 will be cancelled. It becomes 4 into 8 into sine 90 means 1. Isn't it? Sine 90 means how much? It is 1. So 4 into 8 into 1, it becomes 32. So 32 square centimeter is our answer. Okay. Okay. Now, so these are your homeworks. Okay. So let's get ready. So do from class from question number 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So page number 235. So from the solve type of question. So you need to do question number 1. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. That means A to E. Okay. A देखिन E सम्म. If it is repeated, no need to do it. Otherwise, you can repeat it also. No problem. So it will be revision for you. Right? So these are your homeworks. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8 questions are there. Out of 8 questions, maybe a few I have already done it. So others, that is your duty to do. Okay. So thank you so much. So if there's any problem, so please message me. Okay. So if there's any problem, okay, so because of this +2 and all, I couldn't teach you properly as I used to teach you before. Right? So if there's any problem regarding the online class, so please message me, not in the messenger but in the Google Classroom. So if we are not connected with the Google Classroom, please ask the code. Okay, your code your code number, code number. So that code number, if you enter, then that will make a pass entry in the Google Classroom, and you can see the missed video also. Some of the students, they have just logged in recently only. Okay, and this will see when you get this video, please share it in your group so that just let's say your ID pass and any okay, if they doesn't know where the video is coming, please share that video. Right? So please be the one. If the video is already shared, then don't just share it. Tara, आफूले जब Google Classroom मा notification आउँछ video आयो भनेर भन्छ नि, so please click it, share बटनमा थिचेर please share it in your group. Okay, so that everyone can see the video. Okay, recorded video. And if there is a recorded video, always there is a benefit that you can see it afterwards also. It is like a revision. Okay, you tuition पढाएको, so you can this is the unpaid tuition, home tuition or something like that, because you पढाएको कुरा फेरि तिमीले रिपिट गर्नु मन लाग्यो नि रिपिट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So more you practice, more you'll know. So if there's any problem regarding this question and all, so repeat the video again. So if you have not understood still, then you can private message me. Otherwise, you can message me. Group my message in the Google Classroom, not in the Messenger, because message everyone start writing the messages. Okay, and the message if I'm not going to read it, so that is useless. So please write down the messages in the Google Classroom. Okay, so thank you for today. Have a nice day. Okay, so be safe, be alert, so wear the mask. Okay, so be always safe. Okay, bye bye, take care.